why IMT Ghaziabad, why 4, why this. Again, the answer remains the same. The structure of the answer is I want to do an MBA, these are my options, and your college is one of the top colleges which I want to do it from. Of course, you have a spectrum of interview calls, the top and the bottom. But even the bottom guy, you don't tell him कि मैं वहाँ चला जाऊँगा, unless he asks. But at the same time, किसी भी school में, college or academic team or director is always interested in creating a unique identification for himself and his college within his range. You have to learn what it is. And as I said, a couple of days on their website will go a long way to answering this question better. एक रास्ता हो जाएगा, एक generic answer दे दो. MBA करना चाहता हूँ, आपका कॉलेज से कॉल आया है, 4 कॉलेज से कॉल आया है, आपका कॉलेज उसमें अच्छा है, तो यहाँ ज्वाइन करूँगा. But a much better way is always think in dimensions, courses, methodology, teachers, past backgrounds. Look at these 4 things. Or you can talk about so-and-so was your alumni from your institute. I'm very inspired by him and I want to come to your college because of that. So that is another aspect you can actually look at. So research a little bit of alumni also and you talk about this. And ultimately the bottom line of this answer is always that your college is fulfilling the need I want. I mean, you have to connect it to the why MBA answer. MBA क्यों करना चाहते हो? क्योंकि यहाँ जाना चाहते हो और आपका कॉलेज मेरे को वहाँ पहुँचा देगा. So that logic has to be there in this. But if it's done with a little bit of research on the college, and hence if you got 10-15 B school calls, you should be very busy researching about each of the B schools. If you can get a few students who are studying there, you can ask them why. So if you are going to an XIMB, talk to a first year student, he'll tell you the differentials much better than what you'll get out of websites, etc. So do